All right, everybody. This is for Tmagic. Come on, 2012 Bowman Chrome. We just opened 2 boxes and only had a base auto in each box, so that definitely ups the odds of this one being a hot box. So let's see what we can pull out of here. Jurickson Profar, nice card. Little refractor insert there. A gold Kyle Hendricks for the Rangers. 34 of 50. 34 of 50. 8th round pick, not terrible. Kyle Hendricks, 34 of 50, gold refractor. Ben Alsop. Matt Benedict for the Pirates, blue refractor, 206 out of 250. Miguel Cabrera. Strasburg, wow, nice auto. Billy Hamilton, nice auto. Tmagic. Miguel Cabrera and Nick Castellanos. Brandon Eckerl, purple refractor, 20 of 199. 20 of 199. Andrew McCutchen and Garrett Cole. Nice little card. Corey LeBuque. Lance Berkman. Brian McCann refractor. Troy Tulowitzki. All right, sir, just the one auto, but a damn good one. Let me recap what you hit here. You got a Billy Hamilton base auto, nice one. You get a 10, and gold Kyle Hendricks. So nice cards. Get those out to you ASAP. And thanks for the break. I'll talk to you later.